Today it's about bounce and bar. We're only using the trampoline. We'll start to warm up with about 7 steps on the trampoline, and then we will turn the trampoline on its side and do some ballet moves, only about 4 steps. Come on and join me. All right, let's just start by a gentle walk, engage the core, and relax the shoulders, they're down and back. Wide walk. And narrow walk. Swing your arms now. Wide. And narrow. All right, keep it wide and let's do some squats. Here we go. Squat and push the hips back. Squeeze the glutes as you're coming out. Good. Let's go to a down bounce. Ready? Down bounce, push. Bring the legs in to a narrow bounce and push up. Back to a down bounce. And narrow. Good, shake it out. Next one, we're going to go to some jacks. Ready? Out and in, get the feet first. Add the arms to a half jack. Got a little tropical music today, because it still feels like summer here in South Florida, even though it's fall. Full jacks now. Push down, keep it low. Working on the pelvic floor muscles too. Let's go. Come on. If you're ready, let's go to a cross jack. Left and right, switching, and move your arms this way. Alternate. Make sure you're squeezing the inner thigh. This one is really good for pelvic floor muscles, the bladder. Back to half jack, let's go. Finish with the full jack. Ready? Pop them up, pop the legs up. Yes. All right, ready? Next one. Knees up. Sometimes slower music is a little harder than the faster music on the muscles. All right, shake that out. Next one. Only 2 more, then we're going to flip the trampoline on the side. Ready? Let's go front to back. Double front, double back. corners, to the front, corner, good. Now just go singles, front and back. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Doubles. Let's finish with a twist. Ready? Twist. Keep forward here and just twist with the waist, the hips. You can also twist one way, the other way, like that, or just keep it going. Good, last seconds. Let's do a squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick. All right, you ready? Tip, trampoline on the side. We're going to start in second position. Turn your legs out, feet out. All right? And first, what we're going to do, we're going to plie. Ready? 1, 2. Soften the knees. You don't want to lock them when you come up. Plie. Really engage the core. Squeeze the glutes as you're coming up. Now pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up and down. Ready? Whew, you're going to start feeling it. Whew. Yes. And pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now again. Last time, pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Shake it out. Face the tramp. We're going to do some kicks. Hold on to the bars and don't arch your back. So you just want to kick low kicks. Squeeze, squeeze the glute. Squeeze. Keeping it low. Do the other side. Six, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3. You can flex if you want, like this, or you can point your toe, whichever one feels better, or keep it natural. And switch. You're going to really start to feel it in the back of your legs. Good. All right, now kind of go a little bit on a diagonal, a little bit to the front to the diagonal, and we're going to do knee to elbow. So bring your arm up, and you're going to go like this. Crunch. soften the knee, the one you're standing on. You don't want to lock it. Now, you're going to do a kick to the side, and you're going to bring your arm out like this. Use the trampoline for light balancing. Yeah, you're going to feel it, right? Okay, let's move the trampoline to the other side. Get ready for the other side. Ready? Whew, I'm already starting to sweat. Okay. We're going to do knee to elbow. Ready? Knee to elbow. And crunch. And crunch. Good. All right, out. Kick the leg out. Seven, 8, good. Woo, yeah. All right, come on. That feel good, huh? All right, tip it back out, down, and let's finish on top of the trampoline. Little high bounce, little joyful jump. And stretch with a little basic health bounce, pushing down on the mat. And stretch the calf out, calf muscle, pushing back. On one side, do the other side, stretch the calf out. And bring it down to a stretch, to a squat. Grab the trampoline, squat all the way down, and bring it up. And that's it for today. That's your bar and basic bounce. If you want, you can do a little bit more stretching on the trampoline. If you feel like you need more stretching, stretch your legs out and across. You can do the other side. Bring it up. Oh, that feels good. Yep. And bring them up. And grab and give yourself a hug here. And roll up. Yay! Oh my goodness, thank you so much for joining me. And we'll see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know if you want to learn certain moves on the rebounder. See you next time. Bye, and check out the playlist.